Okay, just a moment. We have discussed till here that if the ratio of sum of first and terms of two AP is this one, so the sum of first and terms for the first AP, sum of and terms for the second AP, we have written like this. Then the ratio is given to us as 7n plus 1 over 4n plus 27. And we are supposed to find the ratio of their mth term. This is the sum ratio given, and we will be finding the ratio of mth term. There are so many ways, and one of the ways from the formula only we will try making the formula of mth term. So the sum formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Keeping in mind that n can be same in both the cases and this is completely okay. Yeah, maybe the first term is not same, maybe the common difference is not same, but n can be same. We are using the sum formula and that we are comparing with 7n plus 1 over 4n plus 27. Now we realize that here n by 2, here n by 2 gone, and we are just left with 2a plus n minus 1 into d over this 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 7n plus 1 over 4n plus 27. Now from here only we are trying to create the ratio of mth term of first AP to the mth term of second AP. So clearly we can see in mth term formula 2a is not there. I mean in nth term of an AP, the formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, a is there, just a is there. Okay, so this 2a we are trying to remove 2 which is multiplied with a, and for that we can do the division by 2. Okay, in the numerator and denominator we can divide 2 and this is completely acceptable. While dealing with fraction, we can multiply same number in numerator and denominator. We can divide same number. So here we are doing the division and hence our numerator became just a plus this term divided by 2 and the denominator became just a plus this term divided by 2. Okay. Now that is equals to still the other side is same. This is what we are having. Now we are thinking that we are trying to find the ratio of mth term, m. Okay, mth term. So what shall we place over here? Okay, n minus 1 by 2. That at the place of n, what to put? Okay, what can be taken at the place of n, this n, and that we if we will keep on thinking and keep on thinking, you will not understand. Suppose for example, let's forget about mth term. You want to find the ratio of third term. Okay, अगर हमें third term, first AP का third term over the second AP's third term, if we want to find the ratio from here, then we need to think what to take at the place of n. And how you will understand? You will be first you need to understand third term ratio will be a plus 3 minus 1, that is 2d, and here also a plus 3 minus 1, that is 2d. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if we want to find the ratio of third term, then we will do like this, that n minus 1 by 2 we want to make it just 2. And when you will simplify, you will end up getting the n value. You will be getting n as a 2 times 4 plus 1, n will be 5. When you will drop this n value 5 on the left hand side, just put it a plus 5 minus 1 by 2 d over a plus 5 minus 1 by 2 d. Can you see 4 by 2? That means 2d will come just like this. The ratio of third term over there to third term over here. Making sense?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and accordingly you will be changing the other side as well. At the place of n, you will be dropping 5. 7 5 times 35 plus 1 over 4n plus 27 will be 4 5 times 20 plus 27. And this way, without doing anything, okay, without knowing your AP, without knowing the first term, without knowing the common difference, directly you will land at the third term ratio from the sum ratio. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, same thing we are doing in our case. We have to find the ratio of mth term, mth term. Okay, we have to find the ratio am over am just like this. So first we need to realize what we want to create. Which term or which number should be multiplied with d. Okay, in the formula it is a plus m minus 1 into d, and here it will be a plus m minus 1 into d. So now our motto is to create this whatever is here. Just a minute. Yeah, so we need to create m minus 1, and we are still having n minus 1 by 2. So this way we will find that what can be taken at the place of n. Okay, we will say that we are having n minus 1 by 2. We are having n minus 1 by 2. And what we want? We want m minus 1 multiplied with the common difference t, just by looking at the left hand side. Okay, from here you will realize that n minus 1 is equals to 2 will get multiplied over there. It will be 2m minus 2, and n will be 2m minus 2 plus 1. That means our n will be 2m minus 1. Now this n we need to put in both side, left hand side as well as right hand side. When you will put this n in the left hand side, you will be getting a plus, you have to write it substituting n is equals to 2m minus 1 in both side. Then you will be getting a plus n is 2m minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, multiplied with d over a plus n is 2m minus 1. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into d, and the same n we will be substituting on the other side as well, so that our mth term ratio will be in terms of m. Okay, so other side also we will drop n as a 2m minus 1. We'll be having 7, and here 2m minus 1 plus 1 over 4 2n minus 2m minus 1 plus 27. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will find, you will realize that already you are getting the left hand side arrange which you wanted to create. You will be having the left hand side as a plus m minus 1 into d. Check it. 2 you have to take common and you have to cancel it with the denominators too. And here you will be having a plus m minus 1 into d. And the other side you will be having in terms of m. So 7 2 times 14m minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 over 4 2 times 8m minus 4 plus 27. That means 23. This is the ratio of mth term of 2AP without even knowing the first term, without even knowing the common difference. From the sum ratio, we are creating the terms ratio. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please copy it. First, you can take this question number 30, 3030. If the ratio of sum of first and terms of 2AP is this, find the ratio of their mth term. If you are done with writing the question, then you can check the solution.
Ma'am, guidance from
Ma'am,
Yeah.
uh, after this 2a plus n1 minus d by 2a plus n1 minus d is equal to that. After that, how can you put the 2 from a to n minus y into d by 2?
Here a statement is missing in our dividing numerator and denominator of LHS by 2. Check it. If you will divide 2a plus n minus 1b by 2, okay, and then you can separate it. 2a by 2 will be just it. N minus 1 into d by 2 will remain as it is. Making sense?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the question is that allowed in mathematics? So yeah, in fraction it is allowed. Multiplying same number in the numerator and denominator or maybe dividing by the same number, the numerator and the denominator is completely acceptable and allowed. Okay, while dealing with fraction, that way we don't change the fraction, we just write the another, okay, equivalent form of the same fraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And hence we are doing it.
Ma'am, then after that, uh, how did you get M and O? Can you explain? After
We
dividing by 2.
we are trying to create the ratio of mth term, okay, and here we are having, here we are having n minus 1 by 2. We don't want that. We want m minus 1 over here. That's why we have taken that n minus 1 by 2 is equals to m minus 1. That means n is equals to 2m minus 1. Getting it?
No, ma'am.
Suppose you from here you want to create the ratio of the sixth term or maybe the seventh term. So you need to figure it out what can be taken at the place of n, so that, okay, sixth term formula in the numerator and sixth term formula in the denominator. Suppose you want to create the ratio of sixth term, okay, you want to create the sixth term formula and the sixth term formula. So you will be thinking what can be taken at the place of n, so that we will be able to create the structure of the formula at least at first. Okay, what is the formula for nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d. What will be for sixth term? A plus 5, 6 minus 1 into d, that means 5d. So for sixth term, what we want to make? A plus 5d over here. Now we are thinking how to make n minus 1 by 2 as a 5. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Inan, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will be thinking what can we take at the place of n? Is it 10 or 12 or 5 or 6? And which value we can take for n, so that we'll be able to create the structure of the formula at least. That is a plus 5t. So that you will keep on guess, okay, thinking. If you will be sitting and thinking, okay, it will take too much time. Better than that, you go and check it, that n minus 1 by 2, you want to make it 5. That means n needs to be 10 plus 1. That is n needs to be 11. Now check it. This 11 will work to create the formula for sixth term. 11 minus 1 by 2. That means 10 by 2. That is 5d. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this way from here, left side containing n, right side containing n. Okay, and you want the ratio of sixth term. So if you will customize the left hand side, automatically the right hand side will get customized, and you will end up getting the ratio. Don't worry about that. If you are maintaining the structure of the formula on the left hand side, automatically your right hand side with that particular n value will get customized, and you will end up having the formula. I mean, you will be able to get the ratio of sixth term for the first AP over the sixth term of the second AP. Making sense?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, same thing we are doing over here. What are we doing? We are substituting n minus 1 by 2 as a m minus 1. Why? Because we want to check what can be substituted at the place of n, so that we will be able to create the structure of the ratio of mth term of the first AP over mth term of the second AP. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Then after that, if we substitute m minus 1 instead of n minus 1 by 2, how did you get to m minus 1 minus 1 by 2?
Can you see this simplification? I have taken that we are having n minus 1 by 2, and we want to make m minus 1. Now we are trying to find what is n. What is n? So we will do n minus 1 is equals to 2 times m minus 1. That means n minus 1 is equals to 2m minus 2. That is n is equals to 2m minus 2 plus 1. That means 2m minus 1. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
And this n I have substituted on the left hand side as well as the right hand side. See the sum of nth term formula. Okay, the sum ratio between the nth term, sum of nth term over there, sum of nth term over here. The ratio is containing n on the right hand side also. Okay, containing n, the expression containing n on the right side also. So when we will create the mth term of the first AP over mth term of the second AP, we are expecting m on the other side. M. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and by doing this substitution on both side, left hand side as well as right hand side, you will be getting m both sides. Let me know if you are done. And yeah, first tell me, is it making sense now? And if you don't want to do this way, then think about it, which way it can be done. Okay, sum of n term. Do we know n? No. Two APs are given. Do we know first term? No. Do we know common difference? No. From sum of n term, how to reach to mth term? Okay, nothing is given over here. So this is the best way to use. Okay, from the ratio itself, we are just creating the structure on the left hand side. Automatically, right hand side is getting customized, and hence we are getting the ratio. And I have shown you, you will be getting the ratio of the sixth term, you will be getting the ratio of the seventh term, you will be getting the ratio of the eighth term, you will be getting the ratio of any term if you want. If M is not asked, if 11th term is asked, what is the ratio of 11th term of the first AP to the 11th term of the second AP, you will be able to get the ratio over here. Why? Because there is a similarity in the formula of nth term and the sum of n terms of an AP. Due to that similarity, we are able to do the customization. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, already n by 2 is cancelling out each other. So we are not facing any difficulty over here. Just the fact that why are we substituting n as a 2m minus 1? If you will think about it with the proper number, you will understand that yeah, this will not only help with m, this will also help with the ratio of any term, seventh terms ratio, or maybe eighth term ratio, or maybe ninth term ratio, or maybe 10th term ratio. The only condition is the numerator and denominator both. Okay, the placement of the term should be same. That means 10th term for the numerator, 10th term for the denominator. This way we can find the ratio. This way we can find the ratio. 20th term for the numerator over 20th term for the denominator. This way we can find the ratio. We cannot find the ratio that 11th term for the numerator and 30th term for the denominator. This way we cannot find the ratio because data is not given. Like enough data we don't have over here. Okay, but the same, if we are talking about the same term, then we can find the ratio. Clear, Inan?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now please do question number, just a second. 33. 33. Do it. Yeah, please try question number 33.
Now, can you explain like the ratio of the product of their extreme? What does that mean?
Okay. It says the ratio of product of the extreme. So 56 in 4 part in AP. That means the first part, the second part, the third one, and the fourth term is in AP. Okay. Now, uh, the ratio of product of their extreme. So this two product. Okay. Extreme means the first term multiplied with the fourth term. That's called product of the extreme. Okay, you can see here written also first and fourth. To the product of the means, that means second and third term. That is equals to 5 is to 6. So when you are dividing 56 in 4 part, you have to think about the 4 terms, your 4 consideration, whatever it will be, that will maintain an AP. Okay, it will maintain an AP. Now the ratio between the product of the first and the last one divided by the middle two terms multiplied together, that ratio is given as a 5 is to 6. Hence, we have to find the 4 terms. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try it. Are you able to do it?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Afreen, uh, Inan, Sarah, you are also there, right? Yeah. Are you able to do it? See, you need to know of there is a rule that if we are having this type of question where the product of the extreme, the product of the mean, and if you will consider that, let's say four terms, which is in AP is first term is A, next term is A plus D, next is A plus 2D, and next is A plus 3D. These are the four terms which are in AP. Okay, these are the four terms which are in AP, and all added together is 56. Why? Because it says that divide 56 in four parts. Divide 56 in four parts. So we are saying the first part is this, the second part is this, the third part is this, and the fourth part is this, such that they are maintaining AP. So yeah, these four terms are maintaining AP. If you will take it like this, let's check it first. Product of the extreme, one equation you will be able to create by adding all of them, because it is given in the question that A added with A plus D, added with A plus 2D, added with A plus 3D, all added together is nothing but 56. Okay, if
Done.
you will add them all like this, you will be getting a equation that is A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4A. D plus 2D, that is 3D, plus 3D, that is 6D, that is 56. That means you will take 2 common from the left side. It will be 2A plus 3D. You have taken 2 common, and that 2 you can shift it to other side. Why? Just to reduce the number. Okay, 2A plus 3D is equals to 56 by 2, that is 2 times 4, 8 times 16. Is it making sense so far to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, what is the answer, Afrin?
I'm getting the four parts as 8, 12, 16, and 20.
Okay, so yeah, let's see. product of their extreme. If you will do the product of the extreme over here, like this, over the product of the means, that means the middle two terms multiplied together. That is 5:6. Have you done like this, Afrin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you are able to find the answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. So one of the equation is 2a plus 3d, and we are just expecting one more equation so that we can solve for a and b value, and then we can say what are the four numbers. Okay, so we will do crisscross. Here we'll be having a multiplied with a plus 3d, and okay, 6 will also come over here, and 5 is there, all multiplied with a plus d, a plus 2d. Let's continue. We'll be having 6a square. We'll be having 6 3 times 18 AD. We'll be having 5. And if you will do the multiplication, how? Distributive property. Let's do the multiplication. You will be having a square. You will be having 2ad. You will be having just ad. And you will be having 2d square. Yes, Afrin, here you have done the uh, substitution from equation number 1 to equation number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
uh, you have not faced any difficulty while solving, because I can see so many A and D's are there. I was about to take the four special term. Yeah.
Ma'am, as you have taken the four values as A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D.
So A plus, just a moment. Rather than this one, okay, we will be taking the four special terms. That is the alternate term. Okay, A plus D, A plus 3D, and before that A minus D, A minus 3D, just like that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, why I'm solving like this? Then why I'm solving like this? Because I want you to realize, if I will just in the beginning of this solution, I will tell you that no, this is a special question where you need to take the consideration of a special AP. This AP will not work over here. Then you will not understand that why I have not taken the standard form. Now you will understand why I am going to cross this all and I am going to rub this all. Why? Because can you see the equation which we are getting? A square AD. Even if you will do the substitution, think about it. A square AD, A square, AD term, D square. From here you will take out A or maybe D and you will substitute over here. And you will keep on doing the simplification and will keep on doing the simplification. And you won't be able to reach at the answer easily. Yeah, you will be able to reach, but easily you won't be able to reach. It will take your half an hour, 1 hour it will take. Can you see the underlined terms, everyone? So whenever we are having question like this, where product, the sum of four terms is given like this, product of the means, product of extreme, a situation like this is given, then in such question we are not supposed to take the consideration of this AP. This AP is not allowed over here. We have to assume a special AP. Now you know arithmetic progression means where the such terms, such a sequence where the difference between the consecutive term will be same. You have seen in the first exercise in your this chapter, the first exercise, So many sequence used to be given and you were checking. Is it in AP? If in AP, then what is the common difference? And there you have realized the common difference can be anything. Common difference can be 2, can be -2, can be 1 by 3, can be 1 by 4, can be P, can be Q, can be √2, can be √3. Common difference can be anything. So with that consideration, if common difference can be anything, we will not assume this AP, the standard form of the AP, we will not assume over here. Why? Because it is making the calculation really lengthy. Okay, we don't have this much time to just keep on doing the simplification. 2-3 pages will get filled and you will be still doing the simplification of this one. So there is a easier way for this question. Okay, what we will take, our general form of the AP is A, A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, just like that. If I'm talking about the term previous to A, it is, can I say it is A minus D? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rayan, Inan, Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
previous to A minus D, we can say A minus 2D. Previous to A minus 2D, we can say A minus 3D. Previous to that, A minus 4D, just like that. And we have to consider 4 term, which must be in AP. Common difference can be anything. Okay, the 4 term just has to maintain AP. So we will be assuming the fourth term like this. One of the term will be this, another term will be this, another will be this, another will be this. You can see I am taking the alternate term. One, okay, I am skipping this one and then taking the next one, then skipping this one, then I'm taking the next one. Okay, these are your 4 terms of the AP. If you will take the 4 term of the AP is A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. If you are thinking that this is not in AP, then please check it. The differences are same. Please check it. The differences are same. Okay. So this 4 terms we are taking in AP, and the question is why are we taking this 4 term? Then let me tell you, the moment you will add this 4 of them, that these all added together is 56. You will realize that 3D gone, plus D minus D gone, and you are just having A plus A plus A plus A, 4A is equals to 56. And how easily you are getting the A value. Can you see? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
these 4 term you need to consider when the question is talking about sum of four terms is this, product is this. When the question is talking about the sum and the product, this is the best way. Or maybe you have taken the general form and you are just getting stuck, so many A square D square AD terms are coming, then just take a pause and quickly take this consideration. This way we will be taking the assumption when we are talking about 4 terms in AP or maybe 6 terms in AP. If the question says 6 terms are in AP, then you need to take uh, one more term from the left side and one more term from the right side. Yes, the alternate term. Okay, after A plus 3D, you will be taking A plus 5D. And over there A minus 5D as well. When the question is talking about 6 term, then this way you will be taking. Why? So that for every pair we are having the exact opposite situation. A minus D we have taken and A plus D also we have taken. Why? Both will cancel out each other, D and D. Okay, A minus 3D we have taken and A plus 3D also we have taken. Why? so that while adding minus 3d plus 3d will cancel out each other. Making sense? And if still you are in the confusion that these four are in AP, then please check it by doing the subtraction between the consecutive term. The second term minus first term, please check it. Third term minus second term, please check it. You will be getting the same difference. Same difference. Are you getting it so far? Is it making sense to all of you? Rayan, Inan, Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here the question says product of the extreme. So your first term is this, your second term is this, your third term is this, and your fourth term is this. The product of the extreme means first and fourth term. You can see you don't even have to do the multiplication. Why? Because a minus 3d and a plus 3d you are having. You don't even have to do the multiplication. A formula is there to help you for multiplying this two. Denominator a minus d you are having, a plus d you are having. See, you don't even have to use distributive property one by one. You don't have to do the multiplication. Already you can use the formula over here. Okay, that is equals to 5 is to 6. When you will do the multiplication, you will be getting a square minus 3d whole square. That means 9d square. And the denominator will be a square minus d square. That is 5 by 6. Already you are having the a value in your hand. Finding d from here will not be difficult at all. See, so this is a special question. Here you need to take the consideration of a special AP. When when the question is talking about 4 term, 6 term, 8 term, then you need to take this way, alternate terms. Okay, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. These are 4 term. If 6 term, then a minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, a plus 5d. Now beyond 6 term, it will not ask in the question. So yeah, this way you can understand. And in case the question is talking about 3 terms in AP, see here A and D you will be able to find. Hence, very easily you will be able to declare what are the 4 terms. First tell me, is that clear to all of you? Yes, one by one. Inan, is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Afrin, you have already solved. Rayan, is it making sense? Rayan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting or not? Not that clear.
No,
Okay. Sarah, is it clear? Yes,
Yes,
Sarah.
ma'am.
Are you there, Sarah? Sarah, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Can you please tell me a little bit loud, please?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samya, is it making sense? Samya, are you there? Please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this way we will be finding this 4 terms of this AP. Now let me wrap it up. If the question is talking about 3 terms are in AP, okay, and the sum of the terms is this, product of the term is this, then you need to take the consideration like this: a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and before that a minus d, a minus 2d, a minus 3d, if the question is saying that 3 terms are in AP and the sum of the terms is this, product of the term is this, then you need to take the consideration of these 3 terms. Okay, A we are taking a term after a term before A. Okay, if I am saying 3 terms are in AP whose sum is let's say 21 and product is let's say 34. Hence find the 3 terms. So you need to use these 3 terms. If you will take the general way, okay, A plus D, A plus 2D, then while finding the sum, you will be able to get one equation, proper equation in 2 variable. But while finding the product, you will end up getting a cubic equation. Okay, and you have learned how to solve cubic equation, but you are not confident enough to deal with cubic equation. Okay, so to avoid that scenario, what we will do, we will take these 3 terms, A minus D, A plus D. Okay, for while finding the sum, easily plus D minus D gone, and you will be getting 3A. You will be able to find the value of A from here. Product of 3 terms, if you will do, A value you know already, D you will be able to find. If the question is talking about 5 terms, then you will take this also and this also. So previously I was talking about even number of terms. The question which we have done just now, there 4 terms we were having, and after discussing the 4 term, how we will take the 4 term, we also discuss how we will take the 6 term. Okay, even number of term you need to understand. When we are supposed to take even number of term, 4 term, we will be taking terms like this: A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. 4 term. When 6 term, then when 3 term, then A plus D, A minus D. When 5 term, then one before this one after this one. Getting it? Getting it? Yes, इनान रेयन एक एक तरीका है जो हम इवन नंबर के टर्म जब भी हमें बताए जा रहे हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन में, तो हम ऐसे चूज कर रहे हैं, और जब ऑड नंबर वाले टर्म बताए जा रहे हैं, 3 टर्म्स है 5 टर्म्स है, तो हम दूसरे तरीके से चूज कर रहे हैं. आ रहा है समझ में सबको? Inan, are you getting? When the question is talking about even number of term, then we are following alternate term. When the question is talking about odd number of term, then we are taking A and the next term to A, that is A plus D, and the previous to A, that is A minus D. This way we are taking odd number of terms. That is maybe 3 terms, 5 term if it says, then the next one and the previous one. Are you getting it, Inan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, Afreen, Rayan, is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, I'm keeping this much